Hey guys, happy 2020! There's not a better time to form a new habit, start a project, or try something different than the new year.
At the beginning of the year, many of us make resolutions to better ourselves. But what about bettering our cyber clutter?
In this video, we will cover 4 ways to clean up your computer, helping it run smoother and more secure.
Before we get into it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell so you know when new videos are posted. Alright, let's get started.
Throughout the year, we accumulate a lot of stuff, even virtually. Think of all the screenshots saved to your desktop. Now is a good time to go through your files and documents, delete the ones you no longer need, and organize the files you're keeping into folders. Not only will this increase storage space, but also speed up the time you may spend looking all over for files.
Now that you just cleaned up your desktop, you can't forget about your browser. It's a good idea to clear your history and browsing data, which can help your browser run smoother. While your browser is open, go ahead and remove any bookmarks, favorites, and extensions you no longer use.
Don't think we forgot about the inbox. You've probably been pushing off cleaning up your inbox for some time, but now's the time. Once your inbox is cleaned up, get in the habit of practicing inbox organization. There are many different email management strategies out there, so find the one that works for you and stick with it. The strategy I use is creating a few folder categories like work, friends, bills, etc., and moving emails into their correct folders when I check my inbox. This makes it a lot easier to find certain emails later on.
Alright, last one. If you've been hitting remind me later on those updates for the past year, now is the time to install them. Then check for any of their updates available either for your system or apps. Also, make sure your antivirus is up to date, and if it's not, well, you know what to do.
There you have it, 4 ways to clean up your computer for the new year. Now it's time to get cyber cleaning.
Before you go, make sure to follow us on our social media and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!